The cheapest compressor quote is not automatically the cheapest source of air. If production stops when air stops, the low purchase price can become the expensive choice. Start with operating facts, not the smallest number on the quotation. First, check the energy basis. Official Kaji guidance says energy is the largest cost element in compressed air, and over the life of a typical machine, it usually costs several times more than the compressor itself. A price comparison stays incomplete until pressure, delivered flow, operating hours, and control behavior are compared on the same basis. Second, check whether the performance data is verified. If one offer is based on published, standardized performance data and another is not, the energy line cannot be judged fairly. Lifecycle cost only means something when both packages are measured against the same operating requirement. Third, define the maintenance boundary. Maintenance changes consumables, service labor, plant outages, and unscheduled breakdown risk. If lubricant, separators, filters, service intervals, spare parts, and owner responsibilities are still vague, the commercial comparison is still unfinished. Then record the cost of downtime. Ask what one lost hour means at the plant, whether a standby source exists, and how quickly production can recover. Finally, check flexibility. A package that looks cheap today can become expensive if the load profile changes, storage is inadequate, or the site expects near-term expansion. Future growth and control strategy belong on the same worksheet as first cost. The safe conclusion is simple. Compare purchase price, energy basis, maintenance scope, downtime exposure, and expansion readiness together. Do not claim guaranteed savings or payback without measured site data. Before asking for a final recommendation, prepare 7 facts. Prepare operating hours, required pressure and flow, demand pattern, tariff basis, maintenance boundary, downtime consequence, and expansion plan. Then, lifecycle cost can be judged with evidence instead of guesswork.